Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you how to connect people to TikTok. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to connect your people account, let's just say to TikTok here, well, the first thing that you may want to do is you may want to access your account first. So in this case, in your account, there are two ways to connect your people account to TikTok. So first is if you're trying to, let's just say, send or buy coins, and first if you want to try withdrawing your funds to a TikTok to a people account. So if you want to withdraw, let's just say, if you want to buy coins inside your TikTok account here, at the top right of your screen, you want to go and click on the 3 bar icon, and you want to go and choose balance. Now, in the balance page, this is where you'll be able to start managing your balance for coins and your balance for, let's just say, your rewards from live. Now, in this case, you want to go and just click on the get coins if you want to buy coins. And typically in here, you'll have the option to choose how much you want to buy. You go and click on recharge. Now, the thing with TikTok here is payments are actually processed on where you've actually installed the app. So it's really important that you update the app as well. But in my case, I'm using Google Play Store here. So in this case, it's going to open up Google Play. Now, in here, you want to go and choose your payment method. Click on your current payment method, and you want to go and look for the option that says add people. Now once you choose add people here, this will redirect you to the login page, and obviously you need to enter your email address, your password, and you want to go and click on the allow button that you see at the very bottom of your screen. Now obviously my screen is going to be blacked at this page because due to privacy reasons, but once you provide all the details there, you'll be able to add your people account. Now also they may require you to enter a code that will be sent to your email just to be on the safe side. Now, what if you are a creator here? Let's just say you want to withdraw to your people account. Well, in this case, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and head over back to your balance page here. Click on your current balance, and it should redirect you to this page here. Click on the live rewards option. And in here at the very bottom of the screen, you can go and click on the withdraw button. And if you click on withdraw, it will give you the option to add a payment method that you want to withdraw to. Now, typically, it would also have the people option. And from then on, you'll have to do the same thing. You need to log into your people account and authorize to connect your people account into your TikTok account. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.